In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade NASDAQ on MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open MetaTrader 5 and you want to make sure you are connected to the right broker because that's the most important part over here. If you cannot find NASDAQ on your MetaTrader 5, so inside your account you're signed in with, that means that your broker does not support it. So over here, to check this, you want to go to the top left and you want to click on this dollar sign and it's going to open up the symbols. And in here, you should be able to find something like NASDAQ, and then of course stocks and ETFs, or you could just go ahead and basically look for any stocks or ETFs over here, and you should be able to find them. Now, if you can't find them, it means that your current broker you're connected with does not actually support NASDAQ. So the only fix for this would be to essentially switch the broker or switch your account to something else. So I am currently on the MetaQuotes demo over here. As you can see, it does support it. So this is the most basic way you could use MetaTrader 5 using a demo account from MetaQuotes or MetaTrader, okay? So that way you can use it. You could go to File, top left, open an account, and then you can go and find MetaQuotes, which should be in here automatically by default. Click on Next, open a demo account, Next again, and then put in your details and create your account, and you'll get access to NASDAQ. You'll be able to trade it. But of course, if you use any other broker, if it doesn't support it, you won't be able to. But if they do support it, you'll be able to find it in here as well, okay? So we can just go to Google and basically figure out if that specific broker supports NASDAQ. Then whenever you've done this, you can go and of course open the specific thing you want to trade. So for example, if I go to over here inside NASDAQ, I can see there's a bunch of different ones, a bunch of different stocks. If I go and find like Apple over here, I can click on show symbol and it's going to show the symbol over here. And if I basically right click and see the chart window, there we go, it's going to show the chart. Now to trade this, you want to go to new order up top. And there we go. As you can see, you can basically go and put in the volume, stop loss, take profit, whatever. You can select your order type and stuff like this. So right now, as you can see, the markets are closed. That's why I can't actually execute the order, but you'll be able to trade if the markets are open using these two buttons at the bottom. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.